What do you think?
That's pretty wild. Wow, blue.
You know, I bought one real similar to this for Dana's brother, Mark, probably 25 years ago.
Wow.
30 years ago. And I helped him restore it.
Uh,
Look at the leak.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's been sitting out here for a while.
17 years.
Look at that honey. How sweet it is.
Oh, that's cool right there. I've actually seen them campers before, but that was funny. Look at the type of leaf. I can't believe there's still paint on that cow.
I know, that's crazy.
It's almost like the leaves protect it. It's not rusting through there at all.
That camper definitely protected the top.
Cab, these drip edges are still intact.
What year is this?
I think it's a 74.
Wow. I'm gonna come around that way. There's a mower for Musty One. Oh man. What is that?
I'm not
Footsteps?
real sure, but that's something. Stainless trim or something. They used to be wrapped in plastic, whatever they are.
Wow. Somebody's living in this thing.
Look at the interior.
Oh wow. It's all original. Got the original floor mat in there.
Yeah. Dash is in good shape. Look at that. It's not all molded.
Dang. Wow.
Headline's perfect.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's been sitting here for like 20 years. Look at the
I think
key.
it's 18 years. Good park right here. That'd be a cool Die Hard commercial if you turn it on, the lights came on, and you pop the hood and it had Die Hard in it from like 20 years ago.
Oh man. Ford truck.
F100 to that 700.
Yeah, F350.
Tough.
That's cool.
There's some parts in that box.
There's some door scope. I don't know what that is.
It's a factory air truck, isn't it? Does that say air conditioning on there?
Yeah.
Is that an FM too, or is that just AM?
I think it's just AM, Philco. Factory air. It's a 390.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like anything's been done to it. They just added an oil pressure switch at some point.
I'd like to pop that hood.
Is it? I think it's popped.
Look at these old bias tires.
Wow. Door opens nice. Shifts pretty good. It's a little off. It's got the original hubcap. Needs a little lube.
Can't damage the hood more than it is.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
It's toast.
Oh, the old vice grips.
That's what you held the battery cable on with. Radiator supports rotted out.
What is this thing? Spare tire?
Yep. That helps our tire. It's good to see the breather intact with the top on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all factory. Is that an evaporator
I can't
core?
believe that's not rotted out up there. The hood is rotted out.
Yeah, it's weird that the hood's rotted out, but that's not. All that stuff was sitting on there.
Mosquitoes chew. Shorts.
Yeah, they're all over you, man. Florida swamp.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we'll have to.
We've got to drag some other stuff out of here before we can get this. So, but she's working on that. And he'll let me know here in the next week or so when he gets kind of a path cleared to it where we can get to it.
Yeah.
And then once we get to it, then we can drag it out to where we can get to it. Maybe drag it up on a trailer or something.
Think the wheels are going to be locked up?
Probably.
Was it 8 lugs?
Yeah, it's an F250.
Wow, look at that. Oh man, this is awesome. It's pretty cool. Really cool. They're eating you up. Is there a body tag on it? You can look at the year.
Yeah. That's in really good shape. Manufactured 1173.
1173.
1173. So it makes it a 74-year model. I think that's what the settlement is.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
If you look down here in this crack, in the flashlight, and the bed's clean as a whistle.
Really?
Yeah.
It's been protected by that
This
camper.
camper's kept it dry. Wow. Look at the vines growing all over the top, huh?
Yeah. That's pretty cool, man. Really cool.
Wow. Camper, you almost could clean that joker up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do a. We need to do like a pressure wash video.
Yeah.
Time lapse pressure wash video.
I wonder if it leaks. For all these years sitting here.
It's probably got a couple leaks.
But he said we can't go in there yet. It's not cleaned up.
We gotta clean it out.
Yeah.
don't know what he's got in there. The door's off a little bit, so there's probably some moisture in there.
Yeah, there's probably a little bit. Some critters too.
Mm-hmm.
Falling Creek Recreational Vehicle, Richmond, Virginia.
Falling Creek.
There's an old Coleman camping stove.
Oh, nice.
Turn on its side.
Little Makita driller down there. You know?
I had that same model. That's so cool.
That is cool.
I hadn't seen one of these in 25 years.
Still got the battery in it?
Still got the battery in it. Yeah.
That was high tech back then, man.
Oh, this was the big one. First they came out with a 7.2 volt,
Yeah.
and everybody was just. I mean, we were like dumbstruck. They were so awesome. And then they came out with this big one with a long battery pack.
There's another one down there.
These are. I see it. Black and Decker. Oh, that's a Ryobi.
Oh, nice. Oh, be careful of that glass. Yeah, we gotta come back with some boots and gloves and.
I need to send a picture of this to Jim.
It's cool. Oh man, the mosquitoes are crazy. This thing's pretty cool too, Tom. Is it? Yep. That one's gone? Yep. That's neat. Huh? That's a neat truck.
No, the white one's gone.
This one? Yeah. Okay.
It's a little musty in there.
It's musty?
No, yeah.